Today I'm going to show how to do a front differential service on a 906, but it's the same on a 907 for the forum guys, NCV3 or VS30. Things you're going to need: 1 quart of gear oil, so we use 7585, which has a grade of 235.74 or 7. Or you want 75W90, which is on the spec sheet of the service instructions, which is a 235.8, and it's a 7590, like I said. Not too different, so it's not going to cause any issues going with an 85 or a 90. And then you're going to need 2 crush washers for the drain and fill plug. Those part numbers are N007603024105. And that's literally all you need right there. And then tools you're going to need, I use a 1/2-inch drive ratchet and a 14mm hex. And then you'll want an extension. Let's get right into it. Also, you're going to need a fluid transfer, so I'll show you that in just a sec. Okay, so front differential, and then we use this, don't mind the bucket, it's just an O'Reilly bucket filled with that gear oil. Like I said, this bucket is filled with that gear oil, just a simple hand pump. And right here you got your fill plug and your drain plug, very close together. Really only holds a little over half a quart. It's like 0.7 or 0.8 quarts. I have some custom things like this to prevent oil from getting all over this stuff. As you can see there, kind of just sits in place and makes it drain off. Go ahead, take your ratchet. I like to get them both broke free. I usually take out the fill plug first. 1. Sometimes both have a magnet, sometimes just one. I think it's a variation between the 906 and the 907. 907s have magnets on both. As you can see, got the fluid draining off. It's pretty dark. This one's a little late to the service. It's not at 40,000 miles. And like I said, this is a 2016. So it's well overdue by time. As you can see here, got a magnet. Now we just go ahead, get these cleaned off. Get the new crush washers in place. Let that continue to drain. Got a little bit of a fluid leak there, but not enough to be worried about. I'm also doing a transmission service on this, so you'll probably see that video being uploaded about the same time as this one. And then sometimes, especially when the fluid's a little dark like that, obviously you won't be able to do this if you only have 1 quart and you don't want to waste it, but one of the perks of having everything on hand here at the dealership. So I'll kind of just pump a bunch extra in. That'll flush out the remaining bit of fluid. And go ahead and get the drain plug, the one with the magnet. Get that back in place. It's pretty hard to like over tighten this, to be honest. The spec says 10 Newton meters, but I like to go until I feel the crush washer go a little bit. So now I got the drain plug in. Go ahead and start filling the differential. It's not full yet, I just pumped a little too fast there. pumping pretty slow here just to let the heavy gear oil flow around things. That's pretty full right there. But there's a reason it's called a fill plug, and you can't really overfill it, right? As long as you let it drain off a little bit. And as you can hopefully see there, nice and full. Let me go ahead and put in our drain or fill plug. And same tightness on this one, just go until you feel the crush washer give a little. And spray it off. This is filled with brake clean, by the way, parts cleaner. And there we go. That's how you do the fluid change on your front differential of your 906 or your 907 NCV3 or BS30. If you liked the video, please go ahead and give it a like. If you like the channel, please subscribe, as I'm always uploading new content. And if you have any suggestions on what you'd like to see, please go ahead and comment down below what you'd like. Oh my god. Oh my hell. Twice in 2 days. Fucking A.